Hey everyone, it's Ashley, welcome back. Let's see how long I'm gonna keep this poncho on. I'm freezing right now, but in front of these lights, I will probably start boiling any second. However, in today's video, I'm unboxing the January 2019 Boxycharm box that has a nice dent in it from USPS. Thank you very much. So, not gonna waste any of your time. Just gonna get right to it and see what this box has to offer me. I feel like it's gonna be a little hard to compete with the Boxycharm Luxe that I got last month. First thing is from Tarte is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 Eyeshadow Palette. It says this guy retails for $36. Very cute. Looking like mermaid scales on the front. And inside, every shade but one is a sparkle shade. There is one matte. However, this is really nice. They'll be nice eye toppers to use. They are a lot of the same shades, or close to it, but pretty. Ooh, next is from Briogeo. It is the Don't Despair Repair Strength Plus Moisture Leave-In Mask. I need this guy so bad. My poor hair is just getting put through the ringer with this red. So let's see. This retails for 16 bucks. It is 2 fluid ounces and it is supposed to visibly repair and strengthen damaged hair and split ends, enhancing hair's resiliency, shine, softness, and hydration. Very nice, very easy to use. Next is from Bite Beauty. It is the Amuse Bouche lipstick. And this is in the shade Chin Fizz. It retails for $26. Let's see what color Chin Fizz is. Ooh, that rhymed. Ooh, so it's like a nice, sort of light, plummy. Very pretty, very, very pretty. Bite Beauty has some really good lip products. They are very hydrating. I'm excited for this one, and this retails for $26. I think I said that already. I'm sorry. And then next from Starlooks, it is the Aurora Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. Now let me read about this first. Retails for $19. It is a mechanical eye pencil exclusive to Boxycharm. This is an easy to extend and retract pen, which makes application and continuous use seamlessly easy. I have a lot of eye pencils, so I'm actually gonna keep this wrapped and donate this. Ooh, and last, I think, is what I'm most excited for. It is 2 Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. Tatcha has great stuff. They are not cheap. So this retails for $24, so I'm assuming $12 a piece, which is a little pricey for a mask, but I got 2 of them. Each mask delivers 20 milliliters of skin quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. I definitely need that. I definitely need some hydration because with these winter months, my skin is parched. And this is only a 15-minute mask. I really like that. Sometimes it's just hard to sit with a mask on for 30 minutes. It gets all like just gross feeling and it's sliding down your face. So 15 minutes, I can do that. I can handle that. So let me grab my phone. Let's do some math real quick. These 5 products retailed for a total of $121. And you pay, you know, a little over 20 bucks with taxes and everything like that. So I would say this is a pretty good box. I am most excited for the Briogeo and the Tatcha masks. The lip pencil and the Tarte I'm probably going to donate, and the Bite I'm also excited for. I will definitely be wearing this guy in future videos and just in life. So if you are into just Tatcha and Briogeo, I feel like that already is your money's worth. And if you want a little bit of eyeshadow and eyeliner and a lip to finish your whole look together, I would definitely get this box. So that is it for the January 2019 Boxycharm box. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now go have yourself an awesome day.